Now children, let us go to the types of the sums till whatever. Now children, till whatever I have taught, let us do some sums. The types of the sums till whatever we have done is, number one, the first is which of the followings are polynomial. Now the some polynomials will be given, some algebraic expressions will be given, and you have to find out whether those algebraic expressions are polynomials or not. Now, to determine whether an algebraic expression is a polynomial or not, what we simply find is the power of the variable should be a whole number. Simply, the power of the variable should be a whole number. Now let us go to number 1, 5 root z minus 6. Clearly the variable is z and the power of this variable z is 1 by 2, which is not a whole number. Therefore, it is not a polynomial. Not a polynomial. Example number 2, 1 by root 2 x square minus root 2x plus 2. You children, only you see the variable. The power of the variable over here is 2. Power of the variable over here is 1. You don't see the irrational numbers present as the coefficients. It can be any real number. Only the power of the variable you have to see. The power of the variable 2, power of the variable 1, therefore it is a whole number. Means powers of the variables is whole number, therefore it is a polynomial. Is a polynomial. Third example, cube root of 2 y square minus of 8. The variable over here is y only, so power of y is 2, therefore it is a polynomial. Is a polynomial. The next example, y plus 2 by y. Over here power of the variable y is 1, but over here power of the variable y is minus 1. We have to consider it in numerator. So the power of the variable of y over here is minus 1, therefore it is not a whole number. I mean the power of this y is not a whole number, therefore it is not a polynomial. This question has been taken from exercise 2.1 NCERT. Is not a polynomial. Now, this also has been taken from NCERT, same exercise. X power 10, y power 3, t power 50. Here in this expression, 3 variables are there, but all the 3 variables, their power is a whole number. Therefore, it is a polynomial. Is a polynomial. So, based on this concept, one more question comes, where you have to find that the given algebraic expression is a polynomial or not. Only see the power of the value of the power of this variable. If the power is a whole number, it is a polynomial, otherwise it is not. It is an algebraic expression, obviously. Now let us go to the second type of the sums. Now let us go to the second type of the sum, that is, write the degree of the following polynomials. In this we have to find the degree of the polynomial which is given. Obviously the polynomial is given. We don't have to check whether the given expression is a polynomial or not. So over here the first question which I have taken is 2x minus of root 5. So obviously its degree, we have to see the highest power of the variable. So the power of over here the variable is 1, over here 0. So the degree of this given polynomial is 1. Degree equals to 1. Now in this the highest power is 10, so it's the degree of this polynomial is 10. Over here the highest power is 2, so therefore degree equals to 2. Over here it is a constant polynomial, so its degree is 0. Let us go to the next type of the sums. Now the third type of the sum which we get in this section is, give example of binomial of degree 35, monomial of degree 100, trinomial of degree 3, and so on. Means we have to find a polynomial of the required characteristics. Now let us first do a polynomial of degree 35. Means a binomial of degree 35. Binomials, two terms should be there, and degree highest power of that polynomial should be 35. So simply write x to the power 35, and after this anything you can write, but that power should not be more than 35. So over here let me write a constant polynomial simply. So x to the power 35 plus 6 is a binomial of degree 35. Now next question is a monomial of degree 100. So simply you can write only one term whose power should be 100. A trinomial of degree 3. So we will be writing three terms. So x plus y plus z. Now over here it is a trinomial, but it is asking power should be 3. So any number, anything you can give as 3. Another example you can write as x cube plus 2x square plus 3. Means any polynomial you give, but the highest power of the variable involved should be equals to 3. Now the next type is to determine the given polynomial is a linear, quadratic, cubic, etc. So the type 4 question is classify the following as linear, quadratic and cubic polynomial. Obviously the polynomial whose degree will be 1 is linear, whose degree will be 2 will be quadratic, and whose degree will be 3 will be a cubic polynomial. Let us take few examples. Like number 1 I have taken from NCERT, x square plus x. Here degree highest power is 2, so its degree is 2, so obviously it is a quadratic polynomial. Number 2, suppose 7x cube. Its power is 3, so it is a cubic polynomial. Next is 3t. Its power is a variable is t. Its power is 1, so it is a linear polynomial.